Welcome to FX Scalper 2.0, the world's most innovative Forex auto trading solution that earns up to 50% or more monthly returns, but doesn't make any money. Wait, what? Stick with us a few minutes while we explain. Our journey began more than 4 years ago, setting out to create a stable and profitable, fully automated trading solution for not only our own capital, but investors as well. Our algorithm has been used on more than 20 brokers worldwide and has produced consistent profit, as you can see here on our MyFX book stats. However, with years of clients' feedback, we knew there had to be a more profitable solution that solved the common Forex industry problems and gives retail traders a greater advantage. Here are some of the common concerns that Forex traders were experiencing. Traders want to withdraw profit with no restrictions and not take away from any of the equity in their investment account, forcing open trades to close and take a loss. To make any type of acceptable return, traders usually need a solution that is very high risk with their investment capital. Investors don't want to run MetaTrader 4 on their computer or a VPS in order for trades to be taken. Many of the brokers and solutions require high starting balances, which makes it difficult for smaller accounts to invest and earn profit. While not all of these problems apply to FX Scalper, we always strive to create solutions that solve all of these problems at once. FX Scalper has created a one-of-a-kind algorithm that is much different than anything you have ever seen before. Introducing FX Scalper 2.0, the most stable, profitable, and innovative solution that takes a completely different approach on how investors can earn profit in the Forex market. Our trading solution's only goal is to trade as many trading lots or trading volume as possible, while at the same time breaking even on your trading balance. To explain this further, this means your trading account won't actually make any money and will look like a near flat line in your stats. Remember when we said that our trading solution doesn't make any money? What most traders don't realize is how brokers operate. Brokers charge a commission on every trade, win or lose, that is placed. The FX Scalper 2.0 algorithm has capitalized on this exact same broker concept by marking up the spread or commission, earning all of its profit on the back end in the form of a rebate. This rebate is shared with the investor and can be withdrawn every day or as often as desired. Our algorithm was designed to place hundreds of daily trades on more than 25 Forex trading pairs, scalping the market with very small and accurate trades that end up breaking even, which keeps drawdown to a minimum. When trading to break even, less risk is taken because the purpose is not trying to make money on the front end. This allows the trader to make money every single day, win or lose, on the hundreds of trades taken daily, giving the investor all of the upside and none of the downside associated with trading. Most traders are under the impression that the only way to earn in Forex is if they win a trade. What makes this solution so powerful is the investor can now earn money just like becoming a broker, earning profit on every trade, win or lose. By trading this way, investors can earn up to 50% or more monthly returns purely on the back end by rebate commission without affecting their trading balance that is invested. So how do you start making money with us? First, click the Invest button on our website. Next, click the Brokers banner and open a new live trading account. Then, make an initial deposit directly with the broker. Connect your account with a few clicks of a button to begin earning immediate back-end rebates. Lastly, withdraw or reinvest your rebate commission as often as you want. For those who want to take it a step further, we offer the world's first rebate trading affiliate program. Imagine posting your unique referral link and earning additional rebates from anyone who signs up underneath you, and then imagine someone signing up under your referral link and earning a rebate on them as well for the lifetime of their account. The amount of daily passive income that can be earned with our affiliate program is truly limitless, and you can even start earning without being an investor. See our affiliate page for more details. We hope you're as excited as we are about this one-of-a-kind, incredible, and unique trading solution. Have a look around our website where we offer an in-depth FAQ section, or contact us with any specific questions as we are ready to get you started. Whether you're a brand new or even a veteran trader, if you are looking for a profitable and revolutionary solution with low risk and maximum profits, FX Scalper 2.0 delivers.